Arriving in Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia, is always an experience that exceeds expectations. Every time I visit the city, I am struck by its unique atmosphere, its relaxed pace of life, and its remarkable authenticity. It is a small capital, yet rich in character. It remains a hidden treasure for many travelers. Walking through its streets, I immediately notice the elegance and calm presence of its people. Slovenia, whose name derives from the word Slavs, is a country that has long fascinated me. Strategically located in the heart of Europe, it lies just a few hours from Italy, Austria, and Hungary. This makes it an ideal destination for those seeking an alternative to overcrowded tourist routes and looking for a more authentic experience. Everything here feels balanced. Well-preserved buildings blend seamlessly with green spaces that look as if they were taken from a painting. Ljubljana is often described as a green city, not only because of its parks and rivers, but also because of its commitment to sustainable urban living. With approximately 295,000 inhabitants, the city is perfectly sized for exploration on foot. Despite being one of the smaller European capitals, Ljubljana never ceases to surprise. Almost every street reveals something unexpected, whether it is a charming square, a historic facade, or a quiet corner inviting contemplation. One of the city's most distinctive features is its largely car-free historic center, designed primarily for pedestrians. This makes walking through the old town a genuinely pleasant experience. Italian, Austrian, and Balkan influences meet here in a subtle and harmonious way, visible in the architecture, cuisine, and daily life. The Ljubljana River flows gently through the city, connecting neighborhoods and shaping the urban landscape. Its bridges and riverside paths offer peaceful walks and beautiful views, especially in the evening when city lights reflect on the water. As night falls, the atmosphere becomes even more intimate. Small cafés, galleries, and viewpoints appear almost unexpectedly, giving the city a quiet charm. To end the day, taking the funicular up to Ljubljana Castle is highly recommended. From there, the panoramic view reveals a compact yet vibrant city surrounded by nature. Slovenia, officially the Republic of Slovenia, became an independent state in 1991 following the dissolution of Yugoslavia. Although politically young, the country's history extends much further back. In the early Middle Ages, this territory formed part Carantania, a Slavic principality, considered an important predecessor of the modern Slovenian state. Historically and culturally, Slovenia has acted as a bridge between Central Europe and the Balkans, shaped by both Germanic and Slavic influences. Today, it is a member of the European Union, borders Italy, Austria, Hungary, and Croatia, and has a short but significant coastline along the Adriatic Sea. With just over 2 million inhabitants, Slovenia is among the smaller European countries, yet it possesses remarkable cultural and natural diversity. Ljubljana reflects this richness through its architecture, where Baroque, Renaissance, and Art Nouveau styles coexist. In 2016, the city was named European Green Capital, a recognition that reflects its environmental policies, pedestrian-friendly design, and high quality of life. Ljubljana is a city with the soul of a town, where urban life and nature coexist in harmony. Its recent history is also significant. The country's independence was marked by the 10-Day War in 1991, a brief conflict that played a role in the wider breakup of Yugoslavia. Since then, Slovenia has developed a distinct national identity, combining its Slavic heritage with Central European influences. The city is home to several museums, including the National Museum of Slovenia, which features historical exhibitions, and the Museum of Modern Art, showcasing Slovenian painting and sculpture from the 20th century. Just 30 kilometers from Ljubljana, Kranja emerges as a captivating destination for lovers of Slovenian culture and history. The city is closely associated with the renowned poet Franz Pedestrian, who spent his final years there. The date of his death, February 8, 1849, is a national holiday known as Culture Day. On this occasion, Kranja comes alive with traditional costumes, music, and cuisine. A little farther away, the village of Cerkno, with around 5,000 inhabitants, charms visitors with its picturesque carnival. Participants wear wooden masks symbolizing human weaknesses and social classes. For winter sports enthusiasts, the area offers a ski resort with 18 kilometers of slopes. Those interested in World War II history will find an important landmark in Cerkno. The Franja Partisan Hospital, secretly built between 1943 and 1945 to treat wounded resistance fighters. In spring, the town also hosts a jazz festival. Lake Bohinj, the largest lake in Slovenia, is located in the Bohinj Valley in the Julian Alps. During summer, it offers opportunities for swimming, kayaking, and enjoying breathtaking scenery. Crystal clear waters and majestic mountains create a perfect setting. Visitors can also enjoy hiking, cycling, climbing, and even bungee jumping. Just 4 kilometers from the charming town of Bled, in the heart of Triglav National Park, lies the Vinkar Gorge, a stunning canyon with clear waters, wooden bridges, and lush vegetation. The trail is about 1,600 meters long and offers full immersion in nature. At certain times of the year, access may be restricted due to weather conditions, so checking availability in advance is recommended. The town of Bled stands out as one of Slovenia's top tourist destinations. Visitors can explore Lake Bled, visit the castle in Bled Island, and enjoy accommodation surrounded by nature. There are also thermal spa options, ideal for a relaxing experience. Bled Island is home to the iconic Church of the Assumption of Mary, an important cultural symbol of the country. Another must-see attraction is the Postajna Cave, a natural formation millions of years old, filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and impressive rock formations. Slovenia stands out as a true natural refuge in Europe. Around 37% of its territory is under environmental protection, mainly through the Natura 2000 network, placing it among the most environmentally preserved countries on the continent. In addition, Slovenia has a high human development index and excellent infrastructure, ensuring a high standard of living. Public safety is a strong point, with low crime rates, and the education system provides free, high-quality public education. The entire population has access to drinking water, sanitation, and electricity. The energy mix is diversified, with nuclear power playing a significant role, complemented by renewable sources such as hydropower and by fossil fuels. Transportation is efficient. Paved roads exceed 38,000 kilometers. The railway network connects different regions. The Drava River supports inland transport, and the country's only seaport is located in Koper. The main international airport is in Ljubljana. In summary, Slovenia is a prosperous and safe country with modern infrastructure, offering a favorable environment for both residents and visitors. This was a brief overview of Slovenia. Each visit to Ljubljana leaves a lasting impression. Its human scale, calm atmosphere, and cultural depth make it an appealing destination for travelers seeking a slower, more thoughtful way of discovering Europe. More than just visually attractive, Ljubljana invites visitors to connect with its history, environment, and way of life. We hope you will join us on future adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for being part of our community.